Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share my 3-step simple summer skincare routine with all of you. Now, in the summer season, my skin goes through a lot because of the scorching heat, humidity. My skin becomes dull and lifeless. My skin loses the radiance and glow. So I have to work very hard to take care of my skin. But thankfully, this summer season, I have got Cheryl's cosmeceuticals with me to take care of my skin. I'm using 3 of their products and they are just wonderful, guys. They are working great on my skin. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's show you guys what are the products I am using. Now this is a must-have product of this brand. This is their Oxyblast facial kit. This facial kit contains 7 sachets in it. It's an oxygen infused facial which gives your skin a fresh, healthy and radiant glow. The price of this kit is only rupees 300 and you can use this kit once in every month. Now this is their O2C2 radiance lotion. It's a hydrating lotion which enhances collagen production and gives you smoother skin with fewer lines and wrinkles. The price of this one is rupees 970. And this is their Dharma Shade SPF 30. It's a light water based spray sunscreen. It doesn't make your skin oily. It has vitamin C and niacinamide in it, and the price is rupees 575. Now I'm going to use this Oxyblast facial kit. This kit is having 7 sachets in it, and how to use it, all the instructions are written very nicely in each sachet. So this is the first step. It is the Oxyblast cleansing gel. This pH balanced gel cleans the skin and prepares it for exfoliation. It has citrus lemon fruit extract as an active, and you have to apply the full sachet on your face, then massage it and then simply wipe it off with damp cotton or towel. Now this is Oxyblast Deep Peel. This deep peel helps exfoliate dead skin cells and rejuvenate skin. It has papain as an active. You have to apply the entire sachet on your face. You have to massage it for 2 minutes. Then you have to take steam for 2 minutes and then 3 minutes without skin. You have to massage it and then you have to just wipe it off with a damp cotton. This is Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. It is used after cleansing. This lotion revives skin and make it look fresh. It has zinc, PCA, cucumber extract as active ingredients. You have to use the entire sachet to put the lotion in cotton and apply it all over your face. Now this is the Oxyblast Rejuvenating Serum. The serum has actives that soothe moisture and help in skin firming. It has bisabolol olive leaf extract as an active. You have to apply the entire sachet, massage it and then just leave on. Now this is the Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask. This cream based mask improves skin tone while nourishing the skin. It has vitamin E as an active. You have to apply the entire sachet on your face and then you can place one cling film on face or a compressed sheet mask on your face. Place it very well on your face and then you have to take steam for 3 to 5 minutes and then you have to leave that compressed sheet mask on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, and after 10 to 15 minutes you have to just take off the sheet mask and wipe off with a damp cotton. This is the Oxyblast Energizing Cream. This cream energizes and nourishes your skin. It makes your skin lighter and radiant. It has arbutin as an active and you have to apply the entire sachet on your face and then you have to massage it gently in upward motion. You can use your hand, and if you have a jade roller you can even use that, and you have to massage it very well until the full cream gets absorbed in your skin. This is the Oxyblast Radiance Mask. This mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. It has aloe vera and Canadian willow herb as an active. You have to apply the entire sachet on your face and you have to just avoid the eye areas and leave this face mask for 8 to 10 minutes and then wipe off with the damp cotton. After I'm done with the facial, I always go for this O2C2 Radiance Lotion. This is an amazing product. It takes care of your fine lines, wrinkles. It takes care of your dark patches and blotches which are caused by sun damage, and it leaves your skin very soft, supple and radiant. You have to use this product twice every day. Trust me guys, use this and see the difference and feel the difference. Whether you are indoors or outdoors, you should always use a broad spectrum sunscreen. Here I am using Derma Shade SPF 30 water based sunscreen spray. It doesn't make your skin oily. It has vitamin C and niacinamide in it. It reduces spots and brighten up your skin. And don't ever forget to apply sunscreen, guys. It's very, very important. Here I am throwing a quick before after clip for you guys, and here you can see that after using all of these products, my skin has become much more happy, radiant and healthy. Trust me guys, all these three products are working great on my skin, and as Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals is a professional brand, you can just trust them, you can just rely upon them. So if you want to purchase any of these products, the purchase links are given down below. I just hope that you have found this video helpful, guys, and see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, tata, bye bye.